Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Discord account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Discord application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Discord login ID and password. At very first, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom of right corner. Here under your profile you need to tap on my account. Scroll to the very end, there you can see the option of disable account and delete account. To let you know, in order to delete or disable your Discord account, you first need to get out of all the server that you are connected to. That means you have to disconnect it from all the server. As we are going to delete our account, we will tap on delete account. For the deletion of your account, you need to provide your current password, so go for it. After you are done, you tap on delete. As you can see, I have been directed to the very first page of Discord. That means my Discord account has been deleted. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete Discord account permanently. Thank you.